Are you struggling to keep up with the latest technologies? At CommLab India, we understand the importance of technical training. With new software applications and technologies emerging every day, upskilling and reskilling your workforce is vital. It's the key to maximizing ROI and staying ahead of the competition. We'll work with your software applications to ensure employees are equipped to use it right from day one. Whether it's software training, process training, or quality training, we've got you covered. At CommLab India, we provide learners the best learning experiences, simulations, videos, gamified courses, interactive e-learning curriculums, and more. We can provide training on complex skills, technical knowledge, or intricate operations. Technical training doesn't have to be boring or difficult. We can provide innovative and engaging training that makes learners job ready. Get in touch with us today.